Hi, I'm Alicia and welcome to my channel Papercraft Secrets. Happy New Year 2021 to you. Today I'm talking about a free printable download planner that you can get over at my website at www.papercraftsecrets.com.au. Over in our Facebook challenge group, we are starting a new year of challenges. And we have put all of those challenges, we voted on them, we've put them all into a document which tells us what we're going to be doing every month for this 2021 year. So here you can see we've got January, February, March and April, and we have 2 challenges for every month. The next page gives you a little bit more detail, where it takes you through exactly what that challenge is about, a little bit of information on how you can enter the challenge. And down the bottom here, it talks a little bit about how many entries you can have in the challenge and the prize. We give away a prize for each challenge. A randomly drawn prize. So I just wanted to point out that this is available for download on the website, and the very first challenge for January, one of the first challenges, is Fresh Start. Start the new year the right way. Create a planner, use our free downloads, clean your craft room, get in the mood for a clean start. So Fresh Start, I wanted to tell you about this planner that I created. I created this about halfway through last year. It's got a box for every day of the week. It's also got a box for projects. I just put this on a clipboard. I printed it out on a piece of A4 paper and I just stuck it in a clipboard because it was halfway through the year and it was just a convenient way to print and store these papers. But I actually found this so helpful with my crafting. I would sit down on a Sunday night and I would try to figure out what my goals were going to be for the week. And yeah, you can see my writing isn't tidy and I've scratched and ticked and all sorts of things on these sheets, but this has really helped me focus because I have so many other things going on in life, which I'm sure you do too. Sometimes it's hard to get your head back into crafting, but I found the weeks that I sat down on a Sunday night and scratched out what my goals were for the week for crafting, I had a much more successful week. So I wanted to share this as a free download for you. And I've also created, so that's your weekly crafting sheet. I also created a daily crafting sheet. This is Monday, the quote is, crafting makes everything better, including Mondays. This is Tuesday, cooking and cleaning are for people who haven't discovered crafting. Wednesday, working on my PhD in crafting, projects half done. Thursday, crafting, cheaper than a therapist. Friday, weekend forecast, crafting with a chance of chocolate. Saturday, life is a series of obstacles preventing me from crafting. Sunday, I only craft on days that end with Y. So these are individually daily sheets. You've got your crafty to-do list, you have your other to-do list, maybe you have some other jobs. You've got meal planning, breakfast, lunch and dinner there if you would like to plan what you're having. This is a box for creative ideas, any ideas that you get. These is organizational goals. You might want to organize some things in your craft room, and this is things to buy. You might be running out of something and you need to jot that down. So these are daily plans. I actually don't use the daily plans because I don't have enough time to plan daily, but some people love to plan daily. Some people like to plan weekly. I've made this up. I've made up both designs to suit but you know, both types of planners. Now I was thinking, how will I prepare this for 2021? I went to Officeworks and I found some binders, which reminded me that I already have plenty of binders at home. So I'm going to use this old Crafty Planner book that I never really used that much. I'm going to give this a go for this year. So I'm taking out all of my old pages that are in this planner. I'm going to reuse this planner for 2021. So what I did do was I printed out 52 sheets of the weekly planner, but I printed them on half an A4 page. So instead of using the big A4 size this year, I'm going to use half an A4 size, and I hole punched holes in them so that they will fit the rings of this binder. So because there's 52 weeks in the year, that's why I've created 52, even though I'm probably not going to use this planner every single week. Sometimes I only did it every second week. Sometimes I did miss a week, but that's okay. I've got them here ready to go for my Sunday night planning. So I'm just going to pop those in there. Now this is a free download on my blog, www.papercraftsecrets.com.au, so you can print this out for free. There we go. So that works really well in that little planner. Now I'm just going to show you quickly how I created the pages for my planner. Here's the page with both of the sheets on it. I just folded it slightly in half so I knew exactly where half was, and then I just cut that on my paper trimmer, and then I just would get a piece of paper that already has the holes in it. I got one, the very first one, I measured one of the original pages from the journal so that I got the holes in exactly the right spot, and then I just punched those holes through the original hole. So it's quick and easy to create pages in your planner. Let's pop those in with the others. Here are the daily ones that I've reduced down. I printed them to 2 to a page. I'm not going to print out too many of these because I don't think I'm going to use them, but just in case, you never know, I might want to have a daily planner there. I'm going to put that in the back. I'm just going to pop a sticky note there. I decided I would need dividers in my planner so that I can flick to the daily pages, flick to the weekly pages. So I have created some dividers to go with it. Here's my monthly, well, there's Sunday's page. Let's pop Sunday back in. This is all just printed on normal A4 paper. So I printed out the Paper Craft Secrets challenges 20 so that I've got that ready to go, and I can quickly reference what challenge we're going to be having for each month. These were the dividers that I created. I used some Minte paper to cut my dividers out of, because the Minte paper is so lovely and strong. And then I'm just going to punch some holes in that so that those dividers can easily fit into the binder. And I do love the beautiful floral papers, and I chose pastel ones that sort of go with the colours in the printables. I'll show you how I created these dividers. I actually just traced around an old divider from another planner, and then I cut them out. I'm just going to put a little bit of ink around the edges just to disguise any little bits of pencil that might have not been cut off properly. There we go, I'm popping in the Papercraft Secrets Challenge Planner. Just going to punch a couple more holes here. There we go. So put the number 2 one in, or just a little bit of inking around the edges. Of course, you could decorate these as heavily as you wanted to. I've just kept mine completely plain, but I might choose to decorate them later. Okay, so then I've got my weekly planners in the next divider, and then I will have my daily plan. So here's the information about the challenges. So I'm going to pop that in behind this page. Found another weekly planner or two, so I'm going to slip those in at the front there. This was the original that I wanted to show you. I wanted to quickly show you how I created it. I'm just going to do the last one. I'm only doing, I think, 5 or 6. I'm not going to be doing too many because I'm not having a lot of things in my planner. This is just my crafting planner. So I'm just going to line that up, and then I just trace around that with a pencil. Trace around the tab part, and then I just cut it out. It's very easy. I just was sort of not sure how I was going to do the tab part, but I felt this was the easiest way to do it. A little bit of ink around the edges to hide any pencil that might be left on. It doesn't look good. Got a bit of pencil there. It's kind of ruining the look. There's little dots everywhere from all my paper holes. Now I'm just going to punch some more holes in there. Fabulous. And we're going to pop that in at the back. So now we have 6 little dividers. First one has the challenges. The next one has the weekly sheets. The next one has the daily sheets. And the last, well, there's 3 left actually here that we haven't used. I was thinking that one of these would be good for inspirational pictures. I don't know about you, but I'm always snapping pictures off Instagram of people's beautiful work. And sometimes, you know, I print them out for inspiration. So I was thinking maybe this would be a good spot to hold some of my inspiring pictures. So when I'm crafting, I might want to flick through and get some ideas. So you can easily create a page for your planner. You just need to cut the paper the right size and put the holes in, and then you've got a new page in your planner. It's very easy. And now that beautiful inspiring card picture can go in my little dividers for inspirational pictures. Maybe you could have a divider for sketches that you want to use, or mood boards that you want to use, or instructions that you print out to make different cards, etc. Whatever you like. So that is my freebie for you for the start of 2021. Let's get this year off to a great new start. We're going to be motivated, we're going to be inspired, our craft rooms are going to be so tidy. Wouldn't that be good? Anyway, hop on over to my blog, download your free copy. I would love you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a lovely crafty day.